But that was funny. He was running at 100 miles an hour and then he just fell over. Oh, there's another one. Deer down. Marsh deer down. Oh, God. Oh, it's just a marsh deer apocalypse over here. I don't even know what's going on. Hello everybody, GrayStillPlays, and we're back with more Tyto Ecology. No time for BS. We've got all kinds of weekly income. Now, I put out a little video about how to get Tyto Coins quickly and easily, and clearly it's working here. We should be able to unlock a ton of stuff. Let's go ahead and see what sort of weekly income specials we got. I think we're going to get an achievement as well. So our plant and diversity and animal diversity score is quite good. That's nice. Now here's the 1-year anniversary. Oh yes. Happy birthday to your first biodome. Enjoy this. 2 years through 9 won't get you any achievements. Ah, but that means that 10 will. We get 100 energy, which we totally can't use, and another 20 coins. Why not? Now it looks like over here we have a thingy. I can't remember what this is called. A notification that a group of armadillos is at low health. But other than that, the forest is looking great. Guys, you know what we need to do, which is to buy a ton of stuff. First off, I want to get all kinds of trees. Oh, yeah. I want the flame tree. I want this palm tree. I want this orchid. I want all this stuff. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Let's go ahead and unlock all the animals too. I'm just going to make sure that we have enough for everything. And man, it is looking like we will. This frog, he's looking at me kind of sideways, so he gets unlocked. A marsh deer, a tapir, a collared peccary. I believe that is like a hog type thing. The jaguar, yeah, baby. Capybara, cool little critter there. And the cougar. And man, we still have a ton of stuff. Oh, we're getting all kinds of achievements too. All the animals, rainforest. Release the rainforest creatures because they're all unlocked. All right. So one of the things that I'm going to want to do, because it looks like as you unlock stuff, you get all of those extra energy pieces there. I guess I'll just call them like energy points. Let's go ahead and start putting some stuff down to kind of get these different critters and use some of our energy is basically what I want to do. Let's go ahead and put this guy kind of over here. Nice tapir. And why not one of these right about here? Now, I'm not 100% sure where the best place is for these guys yet. Now, the jaguars and the cougars, these are both large carnivores. And look at the size of the space these guys roam in. We could put these guys way over here, and they'll have plenty of space to run about. Aha! So right now we're out of energy. Let's go ahead and open up all of the plants, and I think we're going to get a nice, decent boost here. Let's start unlocking this Kapok tree. And have we unlocked everything? We did! Oh, and we didn't get an achievement for it! I feel gypped! That's alright, though. Man, after seeing the animals give us an achievement, I was... There we go! There we go! It's a little late, but better late than never. Plenty of plants in the rainforest. You've unlocked all the rainforest plants. Now you can make it a real rainforest. I sure can. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit and take a look at all the stuff that's going on here. Yes, we've got these collared peccaries. Let's go ahead and bioindex them. They are herbivores and even capable of eating tough spiny plants like agave. Oh, we just got some more tokens. Man, we have tokens coming out of our ears right now that other animals won't touch. They may also eat very small animals like snakes, bird eggs, and carrion. Oh, large carnivores will eat peccaries. Babies are especially vulnerable. In the wild, baby peccaries look very different from adults. While adults are grayish-brown with a white collar around their necks, babies are more orange or yellow color with a dark stripe down their back. This helps babies blend in to avoid predators during their most vulnerable years. Awesome. How about we learn a little bit about the tapirs? Man, look at these critters. They are so interesting. Look at how these guys look. That's pretty cool. And this one looks like a baby tapir. Oh, that's a peccary. It's just kind of wandering over to tapir territory. Let's go ahead and biodex these guys. They're herbivores that graze on leaves, roots, and fruits throughout the day. They fall prey to large carnivores like jaguars and crocodiles. When a tapir eats a fruit, the fruit seeds usually go through the whole digestion process without being damaged. Tapirs are important seed-dispersing animals for this reason. Without them, many plants would be unable to reproduce. Excellent. And then way out here, we happen to have a big old kitty, a jaguar sleeping on the ground. It looks like we have an ocelot over here. Very similar to a jaguar, actually. We have something over here as well. That looks like a jaguar. Let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. Yeah. Kind of zoom in here. Looking sleek, looking powerful, just kind of pedaling along in the water. Now, that we have all of those, let's take a look at what these different trees look like. Go over here to the plants. Go over here to this Kapok tree, for instance. What is this thing? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man. Now, that's a rainforest tree. Holy cow. Let's place that right there. Oh, that thing is epic. Hold on. I got to take a look at this close up. Yeah. Now, that is a tree to be proud of. Holy cow, the roots are coming straight out of the ground. This thing's so big. Let's take a look. We have other trees here as well, like the flame tree, I do believe. Let me see if I can find that. There it is, the Amazon flame tree. What does the Amazon flame tree look like? Oh, it's so small. It's a tiny little tree. Let's go ahead and bring it on down here, and we can plant this. You know, I gotta tell you, I was expecting a way bigger tree than this. Let's go ahead and kind of put it over here. And as usual, I missed it. There we go. Let's come on now. I tell you, I have all kinds of problems with this placing thing. Okay, maybe it doesn't like to be placed there. That's odd. Can we place it here? No. All right, let me go ahead and move in. See if we can find a decent place for one of these flame trees. No, it was green, so I'm kind of surprised that it wouldn't take it. How about there? That is definitely fine. Oh, it grew a little bit. So these flame trees, from what I understand, have fruit and leaves here, it says. Let's learn a little bit about these guys. The seed pods produced by the tree are consumed by herbivores. Okay. The tree's branches are sometimes used by animals like birds as a nesting area. Excellent. So we have everything else to do still. These orchids should look pretty cool too. Let's put a couple of these guys down. See if I can actually get them in the appropriate spot. There we are. Oh, yeah. Let's fast forward as well so we can gain our energy a little bit faster. There we are. So these orchids are in stasis. Okay, I'm probably going to want to put a pollinator over here as well, just because now we're getting so many plants. We do have some blue morphos over there, but I get the feeling that I should probably put at least a moth or something over here. Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and put a moth over here. There we are. That moth is right in a great spot. He'll be able to do everything. And let's start working on this side of the forest as well. Let's start right off with one of these big old trees here. We do need a little bit of energy. While we're waiting for the energy, actually, let's take a look at what's going on here and see if any of our animals are doing something. Oh, this guy's kind of racing around. Is he on the hunt? Oh, I think he is, maybe. Maybe he's coming up to this. Is this a tapir, I believe? No, he's just running straight past it. I guess he just wants to stretch. I guess he's just having a good time like a big cat does. Let's see if anyone's doing any hunting. We have a couple of tapirs over here just kind of wandering around. One has found his way to this island. That's quite interesting. Got all the way out here just kind of doing his thing. I believe that is an ocelot over there. It sure is. Now, if you notice, the different creatures have sound effects now. They didn't have those before, but they definitely have those now. Here's another tapir just kind of hanging out. Ah, I believe it is eating this leaf. If we go over here to hunger, I kind of wonder, like, if the hunger goes up slowly. Oh, actually, it's going down. Oh, I think now it's eating. Let's take a look. All right. It looked like it was eating. I'm not really sure. This tortoise, how's he doing? He's looking all right. Let's go ahead and put down some little mammals, because we don't have a lot of little mammals right now. We've got a lot of medium mammals, and I definitely want to get some small ones down. And I still want to get that. I still want to get that Kapok tree down. I haven't forgotten about that. And we've got these frogs and stuff too. Man, there's so many things to put out. Let's go ahead and put out a couple of these, because these guys are always good for everyone to eat. There we are. We'll put down, what else do I want to put down? Let's put down some marsh deer maybe, because those guys are really cool. We haven't seen any of those yet. Let's put this guy down over here though. We'll start kind of moving our area over this way, right about here. There we go. Let's put this marsh deer down kind of on this side, so it's not like right next to these jaguars. Take a look at what these deers look like. There we go. Oh, they are a galloping. Oh, now he's dead. I don't know what happened there. Maybe he's dead tired. He just ran out of stamina right away. He's got the little Z's coming from him, so he's clearly okay. But that was funny. He was running at 100 miles an hour, and then he just fell over. Oh, there's another one. Deer down. Marsh deer down. Oh, God. Oh, it's just a marsh deer apocalypse over here. I don't even know what's going on. Back over here to the plants. We have easily enough to put down a kapok tree, which is exactly what I want to do. So let's go ahead and put one of these over here by these deers. Epic. Fantastic tree. Love it. And we're going to need some detritus destroyers as well. And for that, I guess we'll just go ahead and put down a mushroom real quick because it's super easy to deal with. Everything pretty much likes it. I may put another pollinator over here. I don't know. Let's go ahead and put down one of these strangler figs because that's a nice big tree as well. Now, we haven't put down any of these palm trees yet, but I am looking forward to doing that. So I'm going to let our timer continue to run up here. There we go. And let's... Ooh, that's a nice sized tree. Look at this. Let's put one of these on this little island over here. Kind of create this little tropical area on this island. In fact, I want to put another one of these guys down as soon as we get enough energy. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, these palm trees have fruit but no leaves. That's interesting. I kind of wonder why. Let's go ahead and click on this real fast. It says the palm trees produce many dark purple berries every year, which are eaten by animals. Humans enjoy a delicacy called a heart of palm, which is made from the insides of the palm's trunk, but animals only like the fruit. Leave it to humans to do whatever we want, I guess. Another palm tree would be nice. Let's go ahead and put one of these right about here. There we go. Excellent. And I'll probably even put another one down over here in a little bit. Now, our health of our biome is not perfect, so I actually want to see... I don't know if we'll be able to get it to 100%. I probably need to put down a couple more creatures, which I have no problem doing. These turtles could sure use a palm tree for some shade, so there you go. We've got... What do we have over here? We've got these guys over here. Is this the cougars? I get a feeling they are. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. I think I can't really click on them past this fern. Kind of like laying in the brush there. Alright, I won't worry about that too much. Oh, these little guys are sleeping on the ground over here in these ferns as well. That's nice how they're using their natural surroundings as a hiding place. Very smart. I want to put down... What have we not put down? Have we put down everything? We haven't put down any frogs, I don't think. Where are those frogs at? I want to put down some frogs. Oh, we haven't put down any of these guys. And man, look at the cost of those. Holy cow. But you know what? I want to get some of those guys down, so we're definitely going to do it. Oh, our tortoises are starving. Really? Where are they starving at? This is weird. Let's go ahead and click over here until we can find the ones with a really, really low hunger level. These guys' hunger level is fine. These guys' hunger level is okay. I mean, it's not terrible. The occupancy is all right. Maybe they're way over here? Ah, it's got to be these guys, right? It's got to be. Let's go ahead and back up a little bit. What do we have over here? No, their hunger level is actually not that bad either. I'm not really seeing a problem. All right, let's put down some capybaras because these things are awesome and I want to get to see them on the map. Let's move past here, past this enormous flame tree. We've got another flame tree over here too. Or not a flame tree, I'm sorry. Those are quite small. We've got the kapok tree. Let's put some capybaras down. Oh, yeah. Right about... Actually, you know what? I'm going to move these guys over here because their motion area is big. Real big. Holy cow. There we go. Capybaras. Tell me about these guys. Oh, they have such a weird sound. They are strict herbivores. They mostly eat leaves, but will also eat fruit, bark, roots, and other plant matter. Large carnivores are a constant threat. Capybaras sometimes eat their own poop. No! This is because there may be nutrients that were not digested from the plant matter the first time the animal ate it. Poop is perfectly natural, healthy part of a capybara diet. Well, those guys can enjoy that alone, because I don't think I will. I don't think I'd be okay partaking in that. let's get some more plants down. I mean, some regular plants. We haven't done a lot of ferns and stuff. And we also have these orchids. Let's go ahead and put down some orchids as well. And let's put down some ferns because we don't have any of those down. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and put some. If I can fit them anywhere on this island over here, I am. It's not letting me. Let me see if there's any place over here I can put some additional ferns down, because I think we're going to need some. I think maybe that's why the turtles are getting a little bit hungry. Where can we put some ferns down? We can put some ferns down over here, which is really not exactly where I wanted them to be going, but that's okay. We'll find a spot for these guys yet. Man, we are filling up our area for sure. Oh, like, I guess we can put them in the water here? Oh, well, I'm not sure if that matters too much. Now, did that even count? I'm not even sure if those ferns actually went down. Ooh, right here. There we go. Now we can get some ferns down. Actually, I'm not even seeing those ferns. Let me just make sure that we're putting them down. Yes, they're going down. There they are. And what else do I want to do? Maybe another flame tree? These are pretty cool. We've got really not too much over here. So let's start putting these guys down. We'll put one right there. And look at these orchids. Those are really neat. It is pollinated, so that's fantastic. Our pollinators are reaching all the way over here. I think we'll go ahead and put down some zebra plants as well, because why not? And I do want to make sure that we have something eating all the detritus, so let's go ahead and put down some earthworms here. That should help quite a bit. And I'd like to get some additional plant life over here. Now, we have this big old tree, obviously, but I want to just kind of get like some ferns and stuff over here as well. There we are. I'm sure the deers will enjoy that. Maybe some more zebra plants. There we go. Oh, some more zebra plants. Come on, guys. Work with me here. Work with me. I know you want to. Oh, hey, right there. And some heliconia. They give quite a bit of leaf, which is nice. A little bit more leaf than the fern, actually. The fern looks like a very cost-effective plant, although not as beautiful as some of these. Oh, look at these things. These are neat. Holy cow. Oh, yeah. Can we click on these? Yes, we can. I kind of wonder what it does. Heliconias are not generally eaten by animals, though their bright red flowers are attractive to pollinators. All right. The Honduran white bat survives on heliconia leaves for survival. They like to roost underneath the leaves. The heliconia leaves keep the bats warm and dry while they hang underneath, and light filtering through the leaf makes the bats' white bodies appear green, which helps them to camouflage themselves from predators. Oh, so these things do serve a purpose. They can't be eaten, but gosh darn it, the bats sure need them. And this deer seems to really enjoy this particular... Oh, no! What happened? I clicked on this deer, but it went to capybara, and the capybara is dead. I was going to say, this deer looked like it was quite enjoying... Oh, I think that this is... Is that like its little capybara dead body here? Oh, no! It looks like a lobster tail or something. That is so freaky. Oh, that is an interesting model for this game to be using right now. Couple more trees, I do believe. Actually, let's get out of this and do the top-down view. Couple of more trees. I'd like to get maybe... I'd like to get maybe another strangler fig. Those are super cool. I'd like to get another palm tree because that is pretty awesome as well. I'm not even sure if this is like an appropriate place to be putting these, but gosh darn it, it looks good. Couple of pineapples, everyone can eat on those. They should be enjoying it. And we're almost going to have enough here to put down one more critter. And I'm probably just going to put down like a real low-cost creature that can be eaten by other creatures. I'm sorry, guys, but you got to do it. Ah, the armadillos are actually perfect for this purpose. Again, sorry. You armadillos can hang out over here. There's not really too many of you. And what the heck? Let's go ahead and put down some frogs, too. I want to put these frogs in this island somewhere if I can. I think that would work well. You know, it's right by the water and such. Let's see where we can put these frogs down. Come on, right over here somewhere, maybe? No? Over here somewhere? No? How about up top here? Let's do a top-down view, and then we'll kind of look at them after we place them. Oh, right about there. Oh, yeah. They got some insects by them, too, so I'm sure they'll be enjoying that. Now, these frogs are just frogs. They're not really anything else. They are insectivores. They will eat most types of insects and will also eat invertebrates like worms. Frogs use their sticky tongues to lash out and capture insects. The frog's tongue moves so quickly it's difficult to see. Usually the frogs will swallow their prey in one gulp. Awesome, guys. we've got so many different tokens that we are going to easily be able to buy up the rest of the zones, and our rainforest is just going to be blowing up here. And at that point, I think we'll be able to move on to a different biome. Maybe we'll try deserts or grasslands. I don't know. Do you guys want to do deserts next or grasslands? Let me know in the comments, and I'll do what you guys want to see. Until the next time, stay foxy, and much love.